Hello everyone. Namaste everyone. So what is the question today? See, today's question is spirituality not for transgenders? See, this is how we are demeaning the human beings. We are categorizing human beings on some function, some nature. Existence does not discriminate anything or anybody. That is the essential and fundamental law of nature. Okay, so we have to take out this from our minds that spirituality is not restricted to any special person or specific people. It is for all. It is for anybody, and it is anywhere, and you can practice it at any time. Right? So there is no restriction. So when it comes to transgenders, yes, it is for all. There is no restriction to transgenders. Let us not demean spirituality. Let us not demean human beings. What is spirituality? Essentially, it is transcending our biology, transcending our psychology, transcending our genders, all kind of genders. The question of he, she does not even arise. There is no he God or she God. Brahman is beyond all genders, beyond all attributes. In Hindi, what we say, nirvichar, nirvikar, nirvikalp. So it is beyond all those attributes. So Brahman is beyond non-gender. So the question of whether spirituality applicable to transgenders or not does not even arise. So whatever it is, LGBTQ, queers, please don't demean. It is for all. But it is searching within. That has to be very, very clear. And you have to walk on the path of mindfulness. Manan, Chintan, Dhyan. These three are the essential keys. So mindfulness is the foundation. Which person it is, that does not matter. So eventually there is nothing like personal God. Okay? Brahman is not a personal God. It is similar to, in science they talk about quantum field theory or unified field theory. It is similar to, I am saying. On this path too, then you go beyond genders. The question of attributes, genders, person specific does not even arise. He, she does not even arise. See, we created goddesses and gods which are personal denoting. We created them for motivations. Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, they are there for motivations. Right? So it is not to demean a particular sect, female or a male or maybe transgender or whatever. Right? I don't come into all this. If somebody says that spirituality is restricted, that's a fucking spirituality. That spirituality has no meaning. These Babas are saying that. These fake Babas, fake Sadgurus, fake Swamis are saying that. Don't go by their words, right? Go with your own feelings. Go with your own mind. Go with your own heart. Inquire within. But it's a self-inquiry. Spirituality is a self-inquiry, and it is not antagonistic with your outside world achievements. I always keep on saying there is a professional mastery which is on the professional path, and there is a personal mastery which is an inner awakening, inner mastery. Okay? Enlightenment is an inner mastery. And there is no conflict. Both spaces we have to travel and we have to master at them. We have to bring in that skill. So these are short answers and short questions. So I'll close it here. So Please don't create those restrictions. See, when we say transgender, we create that restriction in our mind. We get bound by, we bring in that limitation. You have to break that limitation at the level of your mind. Don't get restricted. That Supreme has given us that intelligence within to awake ourselves to that Supreme intelligence. But there is a learning curve. You got to work on it. We all got to work on it. It doesn't come by default. But it comes to anyone, anybody. Why? Because the goal is that of nobody. Nothing, nobody, because it is not a thing. So when it is not a thing, then where is the question of person coming into the picture? So male, female, transgender, all this does not matter. Please walk, persevere on that path, be focused, be mindful, and be human. Being human does not mean male or female, right? It's a quality. Being human does not mean, it doesn't restrict to transgenders, right? So transgenders are also humans. So that is it. I'll close it. So it is for all. Don't have to worry. Namaste. Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya. O Lord, move us from ignorance to illumination. Thank you. Thank you so much.